This woman is stroking her dog, when he suddenly turns around in a flash and bites her. The woman does the only right thing and remains completely calm, until the dog lets go on its own. Nevertheless, this bite has not left the woman cold. She screams at the dog. She backs away from him. She throws and kicks things around and continues to shout at the dog to show him that this attack was not okay. The dog also seems to slowly realize that he has made a mistake. Will he do it again? Did the woman react correctly?